Hi viewers, we will learn punctuation. Punctuation makes your sentence more clear and it is important. The first punctuation is full stop. The girl threw a ball to her cat. Full stop. Second one is comma. Ryan bought cheese, comma, bread, comma, tomatoes, comma, potatoes and bananas. Full stop. Third one is Colin. Mihad is selling 5 colour pens. Red, yellow, black, blue and purple. Fourth one is semicolon. I have an exam tomorrow. I can't go out today. Fifth one is apostrophe. My Facebook or YouTube channel name is Riban's Microworld or Riban's channel. 6 is question mark. Who is Nabila? How old are you? What's your name? 7th is exclamation mark. Wow! Exclamation mark. That's great! Fantastic! Number 8 is inverted commas. Rohan said, I don't like playing games. 9th is brackets. Taiba put on a pink dress, which is her favourite, and a white pyjama. Number 10, dash. Aisha went to the party. She had the best time ever. Number 11, hyphen. Asan, eating fish. Number 12, ellipses. I cannot say. Don't tell me. Thank you for staying with me. See you in my channel, Riban's Microphone. Bye.